Hey Spirit Boosters, remember when I told you guys I was going to make some pulled pork in the crock pot? Well, I did it, and here are my ingredients. I used a couple of packs of that McCormick slow cooker pulled pork seasoning mix. I used the Cattleman Carolina Tangy Gold, delicious, and some banana peppers, delicious. And here's my little sandwich with some banana peppers on the side. Delish. It is very, very good. And I also put a little apple cider vinegar. And here's my pot, my crock pot still simmering with some red pepper flakes on top. This might look crazy in the light, but it is really good. Mustard, mustard barbecue pulled pork. Crock pot simmered. Crock pot. It's been simmering in this crock pot for a few hours. I'm gonna turn it on low until we finish eating, and then let it cool off before I put it up. So yeah, I don't know what it's looking like on camera. It might be looking crazy, but it is delicious. Mustard barbecue pulled pork. Very delicious. I didn't think I was gonna like that. Cattlemen's barbecue sauce, Carolina Gold. That stuff good. That is gold. I gotta get me some more of that delicious stuff. Alright, just wanted to share my little recipe and my little food for today. Keep watching my other video. I mean, this is not my other video, but this is in the video with my little food haul and my goings-ons and what's happening. Sorry for the stumbling. Y'all know me.